up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound.
So we are just heading to the restaurant, and it's here, Piri Piri Grill. It's a lounge, it's a bar, so obviously we're gonna be trying the seafood so let's get it. Alright guys, so like really nice ambience, a really nice kind of what would be the cuisine, like what's the so it's really Portuguese kind of like Western fusion. So we're gonna be trying. So as usual we have got some bread, they obviously they give it some with the piri piri sauce and some butter. So we're gonna try and dig in. We would be testing out the it's a really nice, like I guess like they freshly baked this baguette here. So we're gonna be trying it out, like we're gonna be dipping it with the butter and the dipping sauce with the peri peri. The sauce is hot. So they have recommended us like they have a whole Seabass with roasted vegetables. They have a pizza section, so like an Italian, and also so we're gonna get one pizza, and for our appetizers we're gonna get peri peri shrimp. So really excited about the food. I really like the vibe. Baguette was awesome, like the sauces and the butter. Obviously homemade baguette, but everything is up to now so point. So alright guys, so our first appetizer is here. I'm just gonna show you like the how good it's like the shrimp peri peri, and we're gonna dig it in. It's like this, and so it's completely different sauce. It looks like a hot sauce, but it's not. It's a very mild, kind of a little bit creamy and a little bit spice kick to it. And the shrimps are soaked in it. So it's a really, really good shrimp. So good. I'll just get one more to get a more profile. So see this. Look at the size of the shrimp. They're not skipping on the shrimp. Look at this. So much juicy. Alright guys, like the fish is here, and it's like the whole sea bass. Just look at the size of this. Look at. I'm just gonna show you the face. I'm just gonna show you how big it is. It's a whole fish, obviously with the sides cauliflower and veggies, but it looks delish. This looks like bomb. So let's try to dig in. We're gonna start with our fish. Try some veggies in our plate, and then the juices are pouring out. So just look at this. Wow, the whole skin is coming off, like the whole skin. Also some more veggies. It was so tender that it come off the bone like this. We're gonna dip it in our sauce. So tender. It have a bit of a salt, like a Himalayan salt on the top of it, and then it's so tender from the inside.
Instead of grabbing big amounts of fish, we grab like 6, 8 every time, and because they bring it like 5 minutes later. Oh, yeah. And that way you keep the fish fresh, and it's one of the reasons people.
So like it comes directly from there, like so good.
It's such a great.
No, it's so good. Thank you.
It looks really good.
So they just told us like there is like a small fish depot, like a fishery right near, and whenever the order comes in, they know their limits. So like they got like 10, 15, and like every day they get the fresh fish. So it's pretty nice to have that. So guys, one of the best things have arrived yet. So like it's the best. It's one of the best. So as I said to you, it have the octopus, shrimp, and it looks delish. So this is like, let's do a thumbnail. So look at this. It's so glistering. It's so nice. We're gonna dig into it and let's go. You can see the oil. Like you can like right out of the oven. You can see the octopus. You can see the shrimp. You guys can hear it's so crisp. The pizza sauce, everything is so good. Like the dough. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't even explain. The shrimp, the tomato sauce on it, it's on point. And I just don't know, like, are they doing it in a wood oven? It's so good. One of the best pizza. It's so hot. Like, get it here, don't take it out. Comes right out of the oven. Again, I'm gonna dip it in my peri peri sauce. So good. So guys, highly recommended Piri Piri in the Midtown. Piri Piri Grill. We loved everything. Like from the kids pasta, kids loved it. From the bread, the baguette, from the starters, shrimp peri peri, amazing. And then the fish, top of the charts, like so soft, came right out of the bone, perfect marination, perfect seasoning. And then the pizza, as soon as it came out of the oven, we knew that it's gonna be super cool. It's so tasty and it's so like flavorful. So thank you guys, keep watching the video. Please subscribe, comment for this kind of a journey, and we're gonna keep showing you more. Please, thank you so much.